So how quickly will the affiliate technical support respond, for example, if you're having trouble with your website or something? So let's look at the dashboard here. And if I go to the help section, you can see they've got a bunch of different options here. They've got site support. You can ask questions from the community, private messages to anyone in the community, as well as live chat and discussion. So let's say I have a problem with my website. I can go directly to site support, create a ticket. And so unlike a lot of companies that have support and customer service for technical stuff, you're not just going to talk to some HR person who's going to give you like general information and then put you on hold, and then maybe someone's going to get back to you in a day or something. You can speak directly to the engineers of Wealthy Affiliate by submitting any problems that you have with your website, answering these questions, and they'll get back to you within usually like a few minutes, maybe an hour. So the time delay is really, really low, and you're not talking to some non-technical staff. You're talking directly to the engineers who created the code and actually built Wealthy Affiliate. So Wealthy Affiliate has amazing support. It's really fast. You'll usually get responded to or helped out within just a few minutes. So if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate for completely free, you can sign up using the link in the description. There is no credit card required. Now you might be wondering if the strategies and all the classes and support that they have, all these different things that they're teaching, are they still relevant and do they still work? So click this video showing up on your screen and I will answer that question.